Welcome to our channel. Last class we have seen about SDLC. Today we are going to see about what is error, defect, bug and failure. So, right. Error. So, once you become a software tester, you should follow some terms. You should not say everything as an error, everything as a mistake. There are some terms. You should follow in that name only. Okay? So, error. What is this error? During developing the application, if programmer made some mistakes, in coding part, is called error. During developing the application, if programmer made some mistakes in coding part, in coding level, he had made some set of codes will be there. We are going to develop our application using any languages. Like we have more languages, programming language, Java, Python. So we have more languages. So all languages are case sensitive. It has some format to follow. So if you made, like it have to be upper cases, some case it have to be lower cases, and if you miss any commas or any mistakes in coding part, if you made any mistakes, that is called as an error. Okay, clear? And next, defect. What is meant by defect? So if during testing if expected value is not equal to the actual value. So expected value is not equal to the actual value. Now you would have the question, what is this expected value? What is this actual value? Yes, during testing you are expecting something, right, to be here as a result. So I'll give an example here. For example, we are going to test our login page. Okay, this is our login page. So here we have username. This is a username field, and here we have password, and this is a password field. So after entering this, you will click the submit button, right? So you now think that you are testing this login page. What you are expecting now, if you give a correct username and correct password, if you are giving correct name and correct password and you are clicking the submit button, it have to move to the home page, right? It have to move to the home page. Now you have entered some username and password, correct username and correct password. What you are expecting to be the home page. So you have given this correct username and password and click on the submit button, and the actual result, what you got, the actual result, this is the actual result. Actual results as you expected, the actual result you got. So now here expected value equals, now it has been equal to the actual result. Expected value is equal to the actual value, anything, result or value, anything you can say. So now when it will not be equal, means, so same here, you are giving correct username or wrong password. Wrong password you are giving. Now what your expectation? What you expect this application how it have to perform? What you expect? This have to be show some error, right? This have to be show some error. It's like invalid or try again, wrong password, anything. Wrong password, any message. You are expecting this page. You are expecting this value, this result. Okay. Expected value. This is the expected value. You are expecting this page, but when you are giving the wrong password, it is taking to the home page. Now your home page got opened, right? So you are giving the wrong password. You are expecting this page, like it have to show invalid or wrong page, wrong password something. But what is the actual result you got? What is the actual result you got? This is the actual value. So what does that mean? So expected value is not equal to the actual value. You are expecting to this. So now in this case, expected value not equal to the actual value, because you are expecting this page, but it has moved to the home page. Something in coding part or something, some deviation is there. So that is called defect. Now you understand? So now read this. During testing, if any expected value is not equal to the actual value, is called defect. Okay? So next, bug. What is this bug? Bug is nothing but defect. Who will find means defect, our tester will find the defect. So something is not working, like something is got deviated. So that is called as a defect. So the defect accepted by the defect accepted by the developer is called bug. The defect accepted by the developer is called bug. So for bug we have another name also, anomaly, right? So what is error? In coding part, during developing the application, in coding part we have any mistakes, is called error. Then what is defect? If expected value during testing, if expected value is not equal to the actual value, is called defect. So what is bug? So the defect accepted by the developer is called bug. Okay. And then failure. So my application now I have developed my application and testing also done. It came to the utilization. So in real world environment, it is in a utilization. During utilization, you are facing any issues. During utilization of the application, we face anything. If our application, during utilization of our application, if we face any problem, is called failure. During utilization of the application, if we face any problem, like what kind of problem means my application will not open or it got stuck, so it is not working properly, right? in some kind of problems. So that time it is called a failure. Okay. So what and all we have seen today? What is error? Error means nothing but it's a human made mistake. Human made mistake in coding part. It's a human made mistake in coding part. Right? And what is defect? Defect means nothing but expected value not equal to the actual value. And what is bug? The defect accepted by the developer. The defect accepted by the developer is called bug. And what is failure? During utilization of the application, if we face any problem, is called failure. The product got failed, right? If you are buying a Oppo phone or anything, during the utilization of 2 months, now your phone is not working. Like anything, some problem happens. So that is called a failure, right? So that's called. So error means human made mistakes in coding part, that is called error. And defect means expected value not equal to the actual value. This is error in during developing stage we will find this, and defect in testing, during testing we will find this, and bug, the defect accepted by the developer is called bug, and failure means during utilization of the product is called if you face any problem is called failure. I hope you understand this concept very well. Thank you.